Hey there, fellow seekers of financial enlightenment. Welcome to the ultimate YouTube channel dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of wealth and its true purpose. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we dive deep into the fascinating world of money, success, and abundance. Whether you're looking to build a fortune, find financial freedom, or simply understand the meaning behind the pursuit of wealth, you've come to the right place. Get ready to explore the ins and outs of wealth management, discover life-changing strategies, and uncover the secrets to achieving prosperity with purpose. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a thrilling adventure to unlock the true essence of wealth together. The purpose of wealth is a topic that requires a deep discussion because it encompasses various aspects such as freedom, security, comfort, progress, and legacy. Wealth, money, and social status are distinct but interconnected concepts. Out of these three, wealth is the one that holds the most significance. Most people strive to build wealth in their lives because it offers them freedom. However, freedom takes different forms and wealth acts as a facilitator of different types of freedom. Money and wealth are often misconstrued as the same thing, but they have distinct differences. Money is what you earn in exchange for your time and work, whereas wealth is the fortune that grows independently of your direct input. Wealth allows you to make money while you sleep, as it continues to grow even if you take a break. On the other hand, money can still lead to financial problems, even if you earn a substantial amount. Wealth directly addresses the freedom from money problems. While the debate on whether money can buy happiness continues, it is undeniable that a lack of money can lead to unhappiness. Financial struggles often cause stress and discomfort, preventing individuals from living comfortably. Many people spend their lives working multiple jobs for several decades, hoping to acquire enough to sustain themselves until their final days. However, wealth can solve this problem by ensuring a secure financial future and preventing the burden of debt from being passed on to future generations. Wealth is generated through value-generating assets. For example, a house is not considered wealthy if it requires you to trade your time for money to pay the mortgage or utility bills. However, if you rent out the house and generate income without actively working, it becomes an asset that contributes to wealth. The concept of generating wealth through income-generating assets is not new and has evolved over generations. In the past, owning cows, sheep, or chickens was considered a sign of wealth because they provided a valuable resource such as milk or meat. The fundamental money problems that wealth solves are related to food and shelter. Once an individual's wealth generates enough income to cover these basic needs, they can expand their wealth to support their entire family and make the future more predictable. A person cannot focus on their mental well-being if they are struggling to provide food for their children. Therefore, the purpose of wealth is to free individuals from money problems and ensure their basic needs are taken care of. In addition to freedom from money problems, wealth also provides the freedom to try and fail. This type of freedom is determined by one's financial security. For example, a young individual without family responsibilities can afford to take risks and fail multiple times without severe consequences. However, someone with financial obligations and dependents may not have the luxury of quitting their job to pursue entrepreneurship without a stable income. Wealth allows individuals to take risks, pursue their passions, and potentially fail without jeopardizing their financial security. The privilege of being able to fail is often associated with individuals born into wealthy families. Although society tends to criticize such individuals for their privileged position, deep down, many people wish their children had access to similar opportunities. Wealth provides the safety net necessary to explore one's interests and passions. It allows individuals to pursue their dreams, such as painting or filmmaking, even if these endeavors may not result in financial success. Wealth also facilitates the freedom to explore. Society often forces individuals to choose their path at an early age, limiting their opportunities for self-discovery. Many people never get the chance to explore their true interests and discover what truly makes them happy or fulfilled. Wealth provides the luxury of trying various activities and selecting the ones that resonate the most. As individuals evolve and develop an appetite for growth, their interests may change over time. Wealth gives them the freedom to explore the unknown and find new passions that they may not have even known existed. This type of freedom is unique because it is not driven by monetary gain. Pursuing passions is about doing things that bring joy and fulfillment, whether it be fishing, playing video games, or spending time with pets. These activities require time and money, which wealth provides. True wealth is having the ability to choose how one spends their time and engaging in activities that bring genuine happiness. Comfort is another aspect that wealth provides. It minimizes pain and misery, allowing individuals to focus on pleasure and well-being. Comfort can take many forms, from having access to quality food and shelter to creating a peaceful and comfortable home environment. Wealth ensures that individuals can afford to prioritize their physical and mental well-being, which is crucial for a fulfilling life. Additionally, comfort extends to the ability to enjoy leisure activities and have fun. Wealth enables individuals to indulge in adventures, travel experiences, and various forms of entertainment that bring joy and excitement. Wealth also offers security, which is essential for a content and worry-free life. Physical security ensures the well-being and protection of oneself and loved ones. Wealth provides the means to secure the best medical treatment and protect against unforeseen circumstances. Wealth serves as a safeguard against the uncertainties of life, allowing individuals to live comfortably without the constant fear of financial ruin. Another form of security that wealth provides is protection from black swan events. These events are statistically unlikely to occur but can have significant consequences. One of the most frequently cited examples of a black swan event is the global financial crisis of 2007 to 2008. This crisis was precipitated by a sudden collapse in the housing market due to high-risk mortgage loans, leading to a severe economic downturn that affected financial markets worldwide. Wealth gives individuals the advantage of being prepared for unexpected situations and having the resources to navigate through them successfully. Social security is also a crucial aspect of wealth. It allows individuals to distance themselves from societal pressures and expectations, providing the freedom to be true to oneself. Wealth enables individuals to break free from societal norms and pursue their own path. It eliminates the need for external validation and allows individuals to be happy with who they are. Wealth empowers individuals to live authentically and make choices based on their own desires and values. Ultimately, the purpose of wealth is to leave a lasting legacy. Legacy is about making a meaningful impact and leaving behind something that will outlast oneself. Legacy can take different forms, such as setting an example for others, preserving valuable knowledge and resources, creating positive social change, driving innovation, and discovering new truths. Wealth provides the means to create a legacy by making a difference in the lives of others, shaping the future, and leaving a positive mark on society. In conclusion, wealth serves various purposes, including freedom, security, comfort, progress, and legacy. It allows individuals to live life on their terms, pursue their passions, explore new possibilities, and make a lasting impact. Wealth provides the resources and opportunities to create a meaningful and fulfilling life for oneself and future generations. Follow along by subscribing to this channel, and we'll see you again for more insights into wealth and freedom.